How are you? You are fine? Okay, I hope you all are fit and fine at your home, right? So students, today we are going to learn ascending order. Which topic? Ascending order. And do you know students, what is the meaning of ascending order? It's called small to big, right? Small to big, okay? Students, let us start our today's topic, right? And our today's topic is, I will again revise this topic. Ascending order means small to big, right? I would like to show some things. Look children, are some blocks, right? Now let's we learn ascending order. Ascending order means small to big, okay? Small to big. Look children, there are so many blocks, but they are not in same size, right? Some are small, some is big. So let's we arrange in small to big, okay? Look children, which block is very small? This is small? No. Yes, this is small. Small. Now which one is small? This is no. This is no. Yes, this is small. Now next is yes, this is. Now next one is, look children, small to big, right? Look children. Now I am arranged in small to big sequence. Understand? Ascending order means small to big. Right? Look children. Small to big. Okay students? Now I will show you another thing. Look children. This is puzzle game. Okay? Now we have to arrange in small to big. Okay? Look. Small. Then after big. Look children. Small to big. Now you can identify and also can understand properly small to big. Right students? Okay, now I will show you another thing. What is this? Do you know? This is ladder. What is this? Ladder, right? Now, in ladder, I am arranging some numbers. Look children, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, right? Small to big. Understand? Now, let's rearrange some rings. Look children, which number is this? This is 1 number. Which number? 1. So we have to put here one thing. This is 1, right? Now this is 2. So we have to put here 2 rings. 1 and 2, right? Now this is number 3. 1, 2 and 3, right? Now this is number 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? Now next number is 5 number. So we have to put here 5 rings. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, right? Now next number is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Look children, you can understand and also can identify. I am arranging small to big numbers, right? Look here number 1. So I put only one ring, right? Small to big. Okay. Now next number is 7 number. So we have to put here how many rings? 7 rings. Okay. From this concept, you can also recognize and identify counting topic. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6 and 7, right? Now next number is 8 number. Which number? 8. So we have to put here 8 rings. 1, everybody count with me, okay? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 rings, right? Now next number is 9 number. Which number? 9. You can also identify from this topic colors also, right? Now we have to put here 9 rings. How many rings? 9. Everybody count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Right? Now at last 1, 0, 10. So we have to put here 10 rings. Okay? So everybody count with me, right? Look children, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 1, 0, 10. So students, I hope you can understand how to arrange small to big. Right students? I hope you can understand ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. Now look children. Now here arranging numbers in ascending order means small to big. Look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Right students? Now I will show you some another things. Look here. Do you know? Yes, triangle. Look here. This is 1 number. So ascending order means small to big, right? Small to big. I draw some triangles in different size. Okay? Look here. 1 number. So first triangle is small, right? Now 2 number. Then little big. Then 3 number. Little big, then 4 number, then 5, little big, then 6, little big, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Right students? So ascending order means from small to big. Right students? Understand? Okay. Now let's we write in our notebook. Okay? In our notebook. Page number 6, 7, 67. Okay, let's be write in our notebook. Look children, this is our maths notebook. In our maths notebook, page number 6, 7, 67. Okay, ascending order means small to big. Okay students, first of all you have to mention here date. Then after you start your work, right? Okay. Now here write some numbers 1 to 10. Okay. So let's we start. Look children, which number is this? 6. Then 8. Then 7. So we have to arrange in ascending order, small to big. Okay. So you can also take help here numbers. Okay. So which number comes first? 6 number. So we have to write here number 6. Right? Now after 6 which number comes? Yes, 7 number. So we have to write first 7 number. And then after 6, 7 then 8 number. Right? Look children, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now next one is 2, 3 and 1. So we have to arrange in ascending order, small to big, right? Let's start. Which number comes first? One number. So we have to write number 1. Then after 1, which number comes? Students, do you know now? We already learned in our previous video, right? After 1, 2 numbers. So we have to write here number 2. Then after 3, small to big, right? Now, which number is this? 5, 2 and 9. Students, now you have to see this line and then after you can identify which number comes first, right? Look here, 5, 2 and 9. So we have to see here which number comes first. 5 number comes first? No. 9 number comes first? No. Which number comes first? 2 numbers. So we have to write first 2, right? Now then after, which number comes first? 5 number. Yes. So after 2 we have to write here 5 and then after 9 number. So here write number 9. Okay. Now next. Which number is this? 4, 9 and 6. Again we have to see this line and can identify which one is small number, right? Look here. 9, 6 and 4. Which number comes first? 9 number comes first? No. 6 number? No. First comes number 4. So we have to write here number 4. Then after 6 number. Yes. And at last number 9. Right, students? Small to big. Now next one is 4, 8 and 9. Right, students? Let's see again in this sequence. Which number comes first? 8, 4 yeah 9. Yes, 4 number. I hope you can understand which number comes first. Okay, students? Now 4, then after 8 number comes here 9 number. Yes, 8 number. So write here number 8. Then after at last 9 number. Right, students? 4, 8, 9. Now here 8, 10 and 7. So let's identify which number comes first. 10 number comes first? No. 8 number comes first? No. Which number comes first? 7 number. So write here number 7. Then after 8. Then after 9. Then after 10. Right? Okay. Now next 1, 4 and 2. Right? So let's arrange in ascending order. Small to big. Which number comes first, students? Yes, 1 number. 1. Then after 2. Right? And then after 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right? Now next one is 2, 8 and 3. So which number is small number? Do you know, students? Which number comes first? 8 number comes first? No. 3? Yes. And before 3, 2 numbers. So first of all we have to write here number 2. Then after 3. And at last number 8. Okay, students? I hope you can understand and also can identify small to big. Means ascending order. You have to write from this way. Okay, students? Okay, students. From this way, you have to write ascending order. Ascending order means small to big.